YouTube, it's me again. Scammer Skit Girls. So for today's video, I have another order. Everybody starts liking my orders, seriously. This is from my other customer, so I forgot to print hers. But I did remember everything, so I'm gonna write it real quick, and I'll be right back. So I just basically copied everything that she wanted. So this is everything that she wanted. She wanted a $20 for a silly squishy bread loaf. I don't have that, and I didn't even have it in stock. But I'm gonna give it to her anyways. I have this. It's a toast, but I mean, it's close to a loaf. So. This mailer. So, yeah. Perfect. Okay. Next one is a crush ball. Crush ball? Yeah, it's a suppose. I don't have a crush ball, so I have this replica one. And to be interesting, I'm gonna actually put it in a baggie. So I mean, she's so lucky that she's getting a baggie with this. So I think she's a girl. I don't know. Get pin up. So there we go. It's the crush ball. Well, the crush ball. She only ordered 2, which is okay. And it says shipping for $55 because she lives in Canada and I live in Canada. So yeah, I mean, and the total is $87. So it says enjoy NNX because I don't like it. And she commanded me to put some extras. So I'm gonna go get the extra bag. Got the extras bag. I'm gonna put the note in there. I'm gonna get her this. I hate that, so this squishy, it's so depicted, so I don't really want it. And this panda bun. I hate that. So, what else can I get? Oh, I got it. I'll give her this, like, pins or anything like that. I don't know what that's called. And I'll give her this pencil crayon. I'm so nice. Okay, so there we go. These extras bag. I taped it and it's ready to ship. Hey guys, welcome back to Forever Squishy. And for today's video, I am actually doing another squishy video. I'm so excited because this is from Squishy Scam Girls, and this is awesome. And I ordered two things, and they are really expensive. One was, I think, $20, and the other one was $12 or $15. I can't remember, but I can't wait because I'm actually really surprised I got this kind of bag because I ordered one which is from Silly Squishies, which is the bread loaf, and it is humongous. I saw the picture and it's like twice the size of this. It's kind of like that big. So I don't know why I got this. But anyways, let's just get started to the video. Thumbnail. Okay, so let me just go ahead and grab my scissors. Let's go. So, sorry guys, my camera wasn't really, like, on when I actually cut it open. But I cut it open for you guys, so now you guys get the first peek. I'm not looking. Okay. Ooh, there's an extra bag. Okay. Oh, I got 2. This is the extra bag. Oh, thank you. Well, I did tell her to give me extras because I paid a lot of stuff for these, so this is the extras that she gave me, and it's this baggie. I'll go look at the note later. Sorry guys, my eyes is like this. My window is literally right here. First thing that she gave me is 3 squishies, I think. Yep, it's 3. So is this first one is this panda bun, which is really defected, and it's actually pretty dirty, but I mean it's an extra, so thank you. This bear squishy, and this ice cream. It's really defected, so yeah. That's cute. Okay, thank you so much for these 3 squishies. And she also gave me a bunch of pins. And a pencil crayon. It's kind of like this, but darker. Okay, so thank you so much for those extras. Now for the note. Just gonna put all the extras in here. I like this squishy that she gave me. This one and this one. Yeah. Thank you so much for those. Now let's order. It says order right there. And it says $20 for silly squishy bread loaf right there, and it says $12 for crush ball, and the ship was so expensive. It shipped to $55. It's kind of bad, but I mean it's okay. And then for the total is $87. So it says enjoy with an X. So yeah, thank you so much for this lovely note. Now let's get on to the real squishes. Okay, I'm gonna grab the bag you want. I think that's my crush ball. I was right. Okay, so I've seen people get crush balls from Michaels, and I ordered that thing from a package because they were selling it like kind of expensive but really cheap for me. This is the replica version, and she didn't say real version on here, so I mean it's still fine. And she put it in this baggie, which is so nice of her. It's so rubbery when I feel it, but it's so squishy. It's actually a little sore, I think. Like, not going to lie. Oh, it actually has a pop-up. So thank you, I guess, for this. Thank you. That's all in this package. For the last thing, I got this thing my GD. I don't know what it is, honestly. I think this is my Silly Squishies loaf. Thank you so much. And it's homemade, and it's flip open. I'm really mad about this, so yeah. And this is a skit. So yeah. This is Life of a Squishy Scammer. So I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you already haven't. And also go ahead and click that bell button to get notified when I post new videos. And also go ahead and comment down below. #SquishyLives. And probably I'll give you guys a shout out in my next video. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.